Hi, and welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll teach you how to install mods on Nexus Mods. Nexus Mods is one of the largest websites for downloading and managing PC game mods. Mods can be installed automatically with a mod manager or manually by placing files into the correct game folders. Using the proper installation method helps avoid crashes, missing textures, and conflicts between mods. To begin, open Nexus Mods in your browser and create a free account. Or if you have an account, you can click on Login, verify your email address, and sign into your Nexus Mods account. Install the game you want to mod and launch it once before adding mods. Download and install Vortex Mod Manager, the official Nexus Mods Manager, link in the description below. Now open the Vortex and allow it to scan your computer for supported games. Go to Games and search for a game. Select your game in Vortex and click Manage to connect it to the Mod Manager. Click on Download, then click Login, click Authorize, hit Continue, then click Continue again, and wait for the Nexus mods to close. Now go back to Vortex to open it again and go to the extensions to make sure the game is enabled. Launch the game, then confirm the mod works properly, and check for updates regularly to maintain compatibility after game patches. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.